Let's listen to Josh Reddick's new walk-up song. It's a favorite.
Now batting right fielder, 16, Josh Reddick.
That's beautiful. Careless Whisper by Wham.
And
Reddick is awesome.
Reddick has the music, but see what Doolittle, he said don't change it. Who is it? Which player said, trying to figure out which WWE player has that song, because everything with Reddick is WWE.
It is definitely a bit of a contrast, but it's working, and I think we're going to hear it in his next at bat and his next at bat. It is funny. Somebody who's a WWF huge fan, and he throws out Careless Whisper by Wham. It's a slow dance tune. You're right. You just don't know what to expect from these guys, do you?
You know, Careless Whisper, it's not country, it's not WWE, it's just Josh Reddick.
Sort of. All right, they're into it. So here's Reddick. 2-2 pitch. That one's belted to right center. That's hit well. Sierra's going back. He's near the wall, and it is gone. Reddick, a booming home run, 2-run shot, and the A's have blown this one open.
Guess what music we're going to keep hearing, and why not?